If A is any angle, then the angles of the form 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. are called as the multiple angles of A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. What is cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is tan X plus Y? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A times, that is tan X plus tan Y divided by 1 minus tan X. Tan Y is nothing but tan X plus Y. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding compound angles and the problems based on compound angles. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding very important concept, that is multiple angles. Multiple angles and the problems based on multiple angles. Now, what is a multiple angle? Suppose if A is any angle, if A is any angle, then the angles of the form 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. are called as multiple angles of A. If A is any angle, then the angles of the form 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. are called as multiple angles of A. So, in your syllabus, you are going to study regarding multiple angles of 2A and 3A. So, here we are going to connect the relation between multiple angles of 2A and 3A, like sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, and similarly sin 3A, cos 3A and tan 3A, and the problems based on these sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A and sin 3A, cos 3A and tan 3A. These are the things which you are going to study in this concept. Now, let us know regarding the multiple angles of 2A. Now, let me take first one, multiple angles of 2A. Now, let me derive the formula for sin 2A. Now, we know that this sin A plus B, we know that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Just replace B by A. Put B is equal to A. If you put B is equal to A, then this reduces to sin of A plus A is equal to sin of A plus A is equal to sin of A. Again, cos of, instead of B, we are going to put A cos A into cos A as it is. This is sin of B is replaced by A. Now, observe carefully, what is this equal to? Sin of A plus A is sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to sin A cos A plus sin A cos A. That's equal to 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. So, therefore, sin 2A can be written as sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. This is the first multiple angle of 2A. So, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. 2 sin A into cos A. Suppose if instead of A, if it is replaced by theta, we can write sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, we have multiple angles of cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A, and this is also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. We will derive this also. And similarly for tan 2A. For tan 2A can be written as 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So, these are the multiple angles of 2A. Right. Now, similarly, let us know regarding multiple angles of 3A. Suppose the multiple angles of 3A, now here we are going to derive the expressions for sin 3A, cos 3A and tan 3A. Now, let us take first one, sin 3A. Sin 3A can be written as sin of 2A plus A. Now, again this is of the form sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B, sin 2A into cos A plus cos A, cos 2A into sin A. Right, sin of A plus B, sin A, cos B plus cos A, sin B. Just now we got what is sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A, and this cos A as it is, plus cos 2A. For cos 2A there is one formula, that is what is cos 2A. Cos 2A is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is 1 minus 2 sin square A into sin A as it is. The intention is to convert all cos into sin, that's it. So this is equal to 2 sin A into cos can be written as cos square A, plus this is say 1 minus 2 sin square A into sin A. Now multiply it. So this is 2 sin A into, you know what is 1 cos square A? Cos square A is also equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. Now multiply it. 1 into sin A is sin A, minus 2 sin square into sin is 2 sin cube A. Now multiply again from 2 sin A. 2 sin A into 1 is 2 sin A, minus 2 sin square into sin is sin cube A, plus this is as it is, sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Now add, what is this equal to? 2 sin A plus 1 sin A, 2 sin A plus 1 sin A is 3 times sin A, minus 2 is minus 4 times sin cube A. So this is the first multiple angle of 3A. So sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So therefore sin 3A is equal to, what is the formula? Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Similarly, cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Right. Now, similarly, tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is the formula for tan 3A. So, sin 3A, cos 3A and tan 3A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. And tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Right. Hope you followed. Suppose if A is replaced by theta, what you will get? So, similarly, if A is replaced by theta, we will get sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So in the examination they may ask, prove that sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, or cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Right. Okay. Now, based on this, let us take few problems. Now move on to the first problem. Prove that sin A plus B into sin A minus B is also equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Now this is equal to sin A plus B. You know, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into, what is sin A minus B? Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B. Now multiply it. If you observe carefully, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. This is nothing but A square minus B square. What is the formula for A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. So this can be written as sin A into sin A is sin square A, cos B into cos B is cos square B, sin square A cos square B minus cos A into cos A is cos square A, sin B into sin B is sin square B. Now what is the answer? You want to get all in terms of sin square and sin square A minus sin square B. That means the intention is to convert cos into sin. That's it. So convert this cos to sin and this cos to sin. So this can be written as sin square A into, what is cos square? 1 minus sin square B minus cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Now simplify this. So sin square A into 1 is sin square A minus sin square A sin square B, then minus 1 into sin square B is sin square B, minus into minus plus sine square A, sine square B. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Plus sine square A minus sine square A, sine square B gets cancelled. What is left over? So sine square A minus sine square B, which is the required RHS. This is the RHS. That's it. So sine square A minus sine square B. That's it. Just substitute the formula for sine A plus B and sine A minus B. Convert all cos to sine. You will get sine square A minus sine square B. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. This is again multiple of 2a. Just now we have discussed regarding cos 2a. Cos 2a, for cos 2a we have three formulas. Cos 2a is equal to cos square A minus sine square A, or that's also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1, or that's also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. Now let us derive all these three. Now we know that from cos A plus B, cos A plus B. What is cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right. Now put B is equal to A. If you put B is equal to A, then this becomes cos of A plus A is equal to cos A into B is replaced by A, cos A minus sin A into B is replaced by A, again sin A. So what is this equal to? Cos of A plus A is 2A, cos A into cos A is cos square A minus sin A into sin A is sin square A. So the first answer is cos 2A is equal to, cos 2A is also equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is the first formula. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now move on to the second one. What is the second one? Cos 2A is also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So cos 2A, from cos 2A, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Just what is to get? Cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1, right? So just replace sin by cos, convert sin to cos, this cos square A as it is, minus sin square is also equal to 1 minus cos square A. So cos square A minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square A. How many cos squares are there? 2 cos square A. Cos square plus cos square is 2 cos square A minus 1. So therefore cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Now the third one. This is the second and third. We know that cos 2A is equal to, again same formula, cos square A minus sin square A. Now next one is 1 minus 2 sin square A. The intention is to convert cos to sin. So cos can be written as 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A as it is. So this is equal to 1 minus, how many sin squares are there? 2 sin squares. So 1 minus 2 sin square A. That means cos 2A is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So there are three formulas for cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos 2A is also equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. And cos 2A is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Very, very important formulas for solving the problems. Move on to the next problem. This is also important. Prove that tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. We know that tan of A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? We know that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now just put B is equal to A. Put B is equal to A. Then this becomes tan of A plus A is equal to tan A plus, instead of B again it is A, tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan of B is replaced by A, tan A. So what is left hand side? In the left hand side, tan A plus A is equal to tan 2A in the numerator. Tan A plus tan A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A is tan square A, which is the required answer. So tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So similarly, if you want in terms of theta, tan 2 theta is also equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the formula, right? Now move on to the next one. Here, what is the problem given? This is also important for the point of examination for 1 mark MCQ question or 2 marks. If cos A is equal to 4 by 5, find cos 3A. Now, Here we know the formula for cos 3a. What is cos 3a? Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Right. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Substitute the value. That's it. Now this can be simplified very easily. Now since cos a is given, you can take cos a common factor. Cos a is out. What is left? 4 into cos square a minus 3. Now put cos a is equal to 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5 into 4 into 4 by 5 whole square minus 3. So this can be written as 4 by 5 into 4 into 4 by 5 whole square means 4 4s are 16 divided by 25 minus 3. Now this 4 by 5 as it is, take LCM. 25 is LCM, 16 4s are 64 minus 25 into 3 is 75. So this is 4 by 5 into, so 64 minus 75 is minus 11 divided by 25. This is equal to minus 11 4s are 44 divided by 25 into 5 is 125. Minus 44 divided by 125 is the required answer. Okay, hope you followed. This is very important. See, or you can straight away put cos a is equal to 4 into 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 cos a. Or you can also substitute like this. Or, so this is 4 into cos is nothing but 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into 4 by 5. If you simplify, you will get the same answer. Minus 44 divided by 125. Any method. So this is one step easy for simplification. Or straight away 4 by 5 whole cube means 4 by 5 into 4. If you multiply 3 times, you will get the answer. Hope you followed. Okay, now move on to the next problem. Prove that cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a is equal to cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. This is also very easy and important problem. Now let us take LHS first. What is LHS? Cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a. Now we have formula for cos 2a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Again this 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square a plus sin square is 1. Sin 2a, for sin 2a we have the formula 2 sin a into cos a. Now use these formulas and simplify, get the answer. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. 1 can be written as cos square a plus sin square a plus sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a into cos a. Now if you observe carefully, the numerator is of the form, this is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Denominator is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is nothing but a plus b whole the square. So numerator can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That is cos a plus sin a plus b into a minus b. Cos a minus sin a. See, if you multiply, cos into cos is cos square, plus into minus minus, sin into sin is sin square. So denominator a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. A is nothing but cos a plus b is equal to sin a whole the square. So one cos a plus sin a, cos a plus sin in the numerator gets cancelled. While in the numerator we have cos a minus sin a divided by one more term is there, that is cos a plus sin a, which is the required RHS. That's it. So cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a, which is the required RHS. Hope you follow. Just substitute the formulas for cos 2a, sin 2a, and one can also be written as cos square plus sin square, the identity. You will get the answer. Now move on to the next problem. Show that tan 2a is equal to tan a plus b plus tan a minus b divided by 1 minus tan a plus b into tan of a minus b. Let us take RHS here. RHS, what is RHS? Tan of a plus b plus tan of a minus b divided by 1 minus tan A plus B into tan A minus B. Now, if you observe carefully, let us take A plus B is equal to X and A minus B is equal to Y. Then this reduces to tan X plus tan Y divided by 1 minus tan X into tan Y. This is the formula for tan A plus B. This can be written as tan of X plus Y. Right. What is tan X plus Y? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A times, that is tan X plus tan Y divided by 1 minus tan X. Tan Y is nothing but tan X plus Y. So, this is, that's equal to tan X plus Y. Tan of, what is X? X is A plus B plus, what is Y? A minus B. What happens? Minus B plus B gets cancelled. This is tan of A plus A. What is tan of A plus A? A plus A is equal to 2A. So, this is equal to tan of 2 times A, which is the required LHS. That's it, tan 2A. Hope you followed. Very simple. If you observe carefully, this is how the form tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B is nothing but tan A plus B. A plus B plus A minus B. Minus B plus B gets cancelled. A plus A is 2A. That's all, tan 2A. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the value of 4 cos cube 10 degree minus 3 cos 10 degree. This is also very important for a MCQ or 1 mark question. Now, if you observe carefully, this is given equation is of the form 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, where A is equal to 10 degree. So, this is nothing but the formula for cos 3A. What is cos 3A? Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Since we know that since cos 3A is also equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula. So, here put cos of 3 into, what is A? A is equal to 10 degree. This is nothing but cos 30 degree. What is cos 30? Sin 30 of cos 30 root 3 by 2. The answer for this is root 3 by 2. That's it. The answer for this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. If sin A is equal to 12 by 13 and A is an acute angle, find sin 2A, cos 2A and tan 2A. So, this is also an important problem for 2 marks. Now, what is given? Sin A given sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Find out cos A. Cos A can be written as, since what is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Suppose if this is PQR, this is an angle A, then sin A is equal to 12 and opposite is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. That is 13 square minus 12 square. So, QR is equal to root of, applying Pythagoras theorem, 13 square 169 minus 144, that's equal to 25. Square of 25 is 5. So, this is equal to 5. So, sin A is equal to 12 by 13, cos A is equal to 5 by 13. Now, just take one by one. First, what is to find sin 2A? Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. So, this is 2 into sin A. Sin A is 12 by 13 into cos A is equal to 5 by 13. So, multiply. 12 5s are 60. 60 into 2 is 120 divided by 13 into 13 is 169. 120 divided by 169 is the value of sin 2A. Okay. Now, move on to the second one. What is the second one? Cos 2A. Cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A, or you can also write 2 cos square A minus 1 or cos square A minus sin square A. So, 1 minus 2 into sin square 12 by 13 whole square. So, this is 1 minus 2 into 144 divided by 169. Take LCM. 169 is the LCM. 169 minus, multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So, what is this equal to? 169 minus 288. So, that's equal to minus 119 divided by 169. minus 119 divided by 169. That is cos 2a. Move on to the third one. What is third one? Tan 2a. So tan 2a can also be written as sin 2a by cos 2a. Divide it. What is sin 2a? 120 divided by 169 divided by minus 119 divided by 169. These two gets cancelled. Minus 120 divided by 119. That's all. Tan 2a is equal to minus 120 by 119. Hope you followed. So here sin 2a is 120 by 169, cos 2a is equal to minus 119 divided by 169, and tan 2a is equal to minus 120 by 11, which is the required answer. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problems on multiple angles. Very important. You may expect one definite MCQ question and one 3 marks question from this type of problems. Okay, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.